Renew My Car is a complete business system that specialises in light accident repairs, saving motorists time, money and effort. Renew My Car operates from selected fixed locations as well as delivering quality on-site repairs through our network of mobile technicians. With a quality outlook, our technicians are trained to minimise the repair area, allowing for smaller and quicker repairs. Repairs are usually completed within a day and at a fraction of the price compared to standard auto body repairs. Further contributing to the success of the Renew My Car business system is the support from international insurance providers, responsible for consistent work to all our business locations. Those locations that also happen to provide mechanical services such as Bosch Car Service or franchise dealerships naturally get double the benefit, as many clients utilize both the auto body repair and the mechanical service, saving them a considerable amount of time and money. We are determined to remain the industry leader. We passionately deliver quality and efficiency throughout our repair system, proudly standing behind our team's repairs, offering a lifetime warranty on colour, durability and workmanship. With this in mind, we introduced the Syrox water-based paint system, provided by Axalta, a world-leading paint manufacturer, to our clients. Renew My Car's switch to Syrox was inspired by colour accuracy, the reduction of harmful chemicals and the increased environmental benefits of using a cutting-edge water-based paint system. With the use of the colour spectrometer, our clients can be 100% confident in invisible repairs, making their cars look brand new again. Every Renew My Car business comes with all the required equipment, including the spray booth, the tools, and complete Syrox paint system. It also includes training, branding, and access to our portfolio of insurance clients. Renew My Car inside your workshop guarantees to put your competition on the back foot, broaden your revenue base, and increase your gross profit. Now is the perfect time to welcome a new generation of clients through your doors, offering them an unbeatable one-stop convenience for everything their car needs, all under one roof. If you are interested in Renew My Car to turbocharge your business, contact us at info@renewmycar.com.